select the polygon 2. Select the polygon 2. The polygon 2. Make its size 6 and the outline width 4. Hold down Ctrl as you click and drag. Change the angle of rotation to 0 and press enter. Select the contour tool. Contour tool. Now click and drag towards the middle. Yeah, something like this.
I'm gonna set your place on fire.
Select the object. Select the object and right click. Now choose break contour apart. Select all the objects again, and this time let's ungroup the objects. So let's select this property here, ungroup object, or you can press Ctrl+U to ungroup. Now let's fill each of the shape here with color. Let's select the middle one, the small one, the smallest one. Now you can fill it with any color you want, or you can choose any color you want. So I'm going to go for brown. Select the second shape, red, brown. The third shape, gold. Fourth, autumn orange. And the fifth one, let's go for light orange. Now select the very last shape. The very last shape, we are going to make a duplicate of it because we will use it in the future. So as the last shape is selected, drag it here. Now without releasing your mouse, right click to make a duplicate or to make a copy of it. Now let's hide this one here because we are going to use it in the future. Now we are going to power clip these shapes 1, 2, 3, 4 inside the very last, the big shape or the very last shape. Now for us to select, now click, select the first, the smallest one, hold down shift as you click on the second one. Still holding down shift, click on the third one and on the fourth shape. Make sure you don't select the fifth one because we are going to power clip the 4 objects into the very fifth one, which is the last one. So select only the 4 objects or the 4 shapes. Now let's power clip. Let's go to objects, power clip, and place inside frame. So you should get this black arrow, this very black arrow, the one that moves here. Now move to the fifth, the very big shape. Now left click on it so that you place what, the 4 shapes into it. Now all the 4 shapes has been placed inside the biggest one. You see, Now let's go back to what we copied. We copied this, so we are going to use this. Let me change the color so that you see what I'm doing. I'll change it to blue. So we are going to use the blue shape here to divide this. So you move the blue shape here and make sure it has divided well. Okay, like this is okay. You make sure it is right. Okay, like this. So as the blue shape is selected, hold down shift and click on this one. Yes, so now you get these properties here: combined, word, trim, intersect, simplify, front minus back, back minus front, and create boundary. We are going to use trim, so click on the trim. Now we can delete the blue shape. Now select this. We are going to make a duplicate of it again, so click and drag as you hold down Control. Make sure it's aligned with the edge. So without releasing your mouse, right click to make a copy. So you should get a shape like this. Now as the down one is selected, go to the mirror horizontally and click. Now go to the mirror vertically and click. So you should get a shape like this. You should get a shape like this. Now let's group all the two shapes. So let's select all and hold Ctrl plus G to group. Now double click on this shape so you get the rotation sign here. So let's rotate it. Just follow what I'm doing. So just rotate it. Okay, I think this is okay. No, okay, this is okay. Now without releasing your mouse, right click again to make a duplicate. Yeah, now let's repeat. We can repeat the same process by holding Ctrl plus D. So you should get a shape like this. Very beautiful. You should get a shape like this. Yes, you should get a shape like this. So guys, today this is what we've learned. Please, if you don't understand anything, leave a comment below and I will answer you, or you can watch the video over and over again until you are able to do it. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.